Alright, so on my last video, there was kind of a lot of noise and racket going on, and it was really hard to see exactly what was happening. But I brought my my robot back to the shop. So there's the brains of Edith. We're going to work on her a little bit today. But what I really wanted to show right off the bat is actually what I had going on that didn't work. And also, hopefully today, I'll get all of my cords mounted, or my cables mounted the correct way, rather than the way that I did them. But I was prototyping, and sometimes things kind of go the way they go. So here's what was going on originally. So Edith is being run by a Click PLC, Click Plus, which means that I can reprogram her in the field with, or at least change some parameters with my phone. And I can reprogram her with this cable. But what was going on was all of those, this is a PLC right here. And basically this takes all the information from the robot, and this is a power supply over here, and basically what it does is it runs power. Here's some more power supplies. Because each of these stepper motor drivers require a different amount of power. And so what I did was I used, right here, this little black thing for a relay to operate the trigger on my welder. And what it works, essentially, I mean, the relay works, except that it doesn't work for what I'm using it for. It's a solid state relay, and those need a load in order to function. A lot of you are probably familiar, oopsie, there we go, with a relay like this. This is a 12-volt relay, and I actually cannibalized this out of my Jeep in order to make the project work, because I needed to get it done, and I didn't have a relay, an electromechanical relay that would work. So this is an electromechanical relay that runs off of 12 volts. This whole system right here is 24 volts, so I actually had to jimmy rig wire the power for this relay from the Jeep. So this relay activated this relay. This relay gave enough load to make that one work. So the correct way to fix it, which is what I'm about to do now, is with this relay right here. So this relay basically is an electromechanical relay. You can see the little contacts there. Those flip back and forth, or whenever you power it, that little white thing there is a coil of wire, and it activates the relay, and it'll switch from this post right here, which you can see that it's touching. It's closed right now. It'll switch over to the other side, and then that's what I'm going to use to close the contacts to my welder, and that'll just basically does the same thing as pulling on a switch. So then it'll work without all of the nonsense. And then all I have to do is a little bit of cable management, which actually shouldn't be too hard, and call it a day, and Edith should be ready to go run again. So I'm pretty excited about that. Got some other welder parts coming for the rest of the project. Anyway, for what it's worth, there you go. Edith in a nutshell. Pretty. Anyway, also welcome to my shop. Got projects going on. Plasma table. That thing is a warranty job that I need to finish today. That's the other thing I hope to finish. And yeah, we live in a beautiful part of the country. We can usually see a mountain over that direction, but not at the moment. It is too cloudy. There's my trusty Jeep, which is currently my work vehicle.